Good morning. Today I'm heading back to school. I'm going to the University of Texas in Austin. So 7-ish months ago, a student group reached out to me to speak to the computer science kids, talk to them about my journey and coding stuff and networking. I forgot about that until this morning. So later today, I'm going to be doing that after work. I'm really excited as a proud college computer science dropout myself to convince all these youngins to join me and drop out as well. That's a joke. But again, that's later tonight. I still have to do my day job, so let's get started with that. At work, we're launching some support for Python for our software development kits, SDKs. I am okay at Python, but I'm not like an expert. I haven't engineered in Python ever. So I'm trying to up-level my Python skills so I can play with those SDKs a little bit better. So for about 20 minutes before I start every day at work, I typically dedicate some time to working on Python, learning new concepts. And this video is not sponsored by Zero to Mastery. That's just what I'm using personally to learn some Python concepts. Python learning was fun, what a blast, but I have a quick one-on-one with my manager. So let's get that popping.
Jeremiah, good morning.
Good morning.
You're really on track to become like the next CEO of Slack if you want.
I mean, that sounds amazing. I'll have to look at my schedule and see if I have time to, run the company, but.
Thanks so much.
This is the nastiest pre-workout I've ever had. Its flavor is apple spice. It's not good. It's terrible. All right, now we're ready. I love when I get to take a workout in the middle of the day because I get all energized and ready to do some more work. Today I think I have 2 more meetings and then I can start working on what I'm doing later tonight, which is the UT Austin thing. Friday is my last day at work for a while. I get married on that following Wednesday, so I'll be on vacation and traveling and doing all that wedding stuff for like 2 weeks, which means this week is a super busy week as I'm trying to make sure all the projects that I have in flight are like offloaded properly and they work autonomously without me present. So I'm trying to get all my ducks in a row this week so that can happen, you know what I'm saying? I just now realized that I forgot to shower and I have a meeting in like 4 minutes. Don't judge me, I'm just gonna change my shirt and I'll do the shower part later, I promise. All right, that was my last meeting of the day and my brain's all sluggish, it's stopping working. And typically I like to save the end of the day for like administrative work. Last week I was in San Francisco for a team offsite, which means this week I get to expense all the things and Ubers and hotels, which is a great way to close out the day. All right, I finally took a shower and I'm about to head out. But before that, this channel's almost at 100,000 subscribers, so that's very exciting. And I wanted to do a quick poll on my YouTube community and to you right now, asking what type of content you want to see more of. Lifestyle and vlogs, there's software engineering insights, tech videos and desk setups, and then I'll watch anything you make. Let me know in the description what type of videos you like, and I'll make some more of those. All right, I definitely thought it was a little bit later, so I'm late. So let's gather all my tech things I need to make a YouTube video, and then we'll head out. All right, it took forever to park. I guess there's like a concert going on tonight, but we are parked and we are heading over to the thing. It's like a 10-minute walk, which means we are 3 minutes late. Fun stuff. I don't know anything of what they want me to say or talk about or be there for. I just showed up because she told me to. Hello. Hello, everyone. It's my face, and Jeremiah Peoples. I'm a senior developer advocate at Slack, which is a very new title. I love when I get the chance to do these type of chats. Everyone had such great questions and we talked about salaries, how to land that first job in tech, and surprisingly a lot about content creation. When I was first getting started teaching myself how to code, I didn't have anyone I could ask these sort of questions to. I'm so glad they have this group to bounce ideas off each other because it will honestly make learning concepts that much easier. As we were wrapping up, I stuck around for a bit to answer some questions one-on-one about coding resources and some miscellaneous things. Wildly enough, one of the students is actually an incoming intern at my company. Small world. Want to give a huge thank you to the student group at UT Austin for having me out. This was so fun. It was honestly super fun to get to hang out with the future software engineers of America and answer their questions and talk content and coding. A blast. Anyway, that's all I have for this one. I'll see you on the next one.